Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of cardamom. In the heart of the Indian subcontinent lies a precious spice, revered not only for its tantalizing aroma and flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Welcome to a journey exploring the wonderful world of cardamom. For centuries, cardamom has graced the spice markets with its presence, captivating culinary enthusiasts and health seekers alike. Let's unravel the many potential health benefits this humble spice has to offer. Our journey begins with the remarkable impact cardamom can have on digestive health, a benefit cherished for generations. Cardamom is known for its ability to stimulate the production of enzymes in the digestive tract, aiding in the breakdown of food and promoting efficient digestion. When you consume cardamom, it activates enzymes like amylase, which helps break down carbohydrates, and lipase, which breaks down fats, facilitating the digestive process. Cardamom may help soothe and calm the digestive system, providing relief from common issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. Its carminative properties can help prevent the formation of gas and alleviate discomfort, making it a go-to spice for those seeking digestive comfort. What's more, cardamom may possess anti-inflammatory properties that could help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Now, let's delve into another remarkable health benefit of cardamom: its potential to positively impact oral health, showcasing its versatility beyond the realm of taste and aroma. It possesses potent antimicrobial properties that can help combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi in the oral cavity. This spice may assist in maintaining good oral hygiene by fighting off harmful microorganisms that contribute to tooth decay, bad breath, and other oral health issues. The aromatic compounds found in cardamom lend it a refreshing quality, promoting a clean and invigorating breath. Regular use of cardamom, whether through consumption or as an ingredient in oral care products, may contribute to a healthier mouth and a confident smile. But wait, there is more. Studies suggest that cardamom may be a heart-healthy spice, offering several potential benefits that could contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. One such benefit is its potential to help regulate blood pressure. Cardamom may aid in maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of hypertension, a significant risk factor for heart disease. It may also play a role in managing cholesterol levels. By promoting healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels, cardamom supports a healthier cardiovascular system, ultimately reducing the risk of heart-related ailments. Moreover, cardamom might assist in managing blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing blood glucose levels. But the benefits don't stop there. Cardamom possesses expectorant properties, which can aid in relieving respiratory congestion and discomfort by promoting the expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract. By clearing the airways, cardamom may provide relief from symptoms of respiratory issues such as coughs, bronchitis, and chest congestion. The soothing aroma of cardamom can also have a calming effect, promoting relaxed breathing and overall respiratory well-being. Inhaling steam infused with cardamom can be an effective way to harness its respiratory benefits, providing comfort and aiding in respiratory relief. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Additionally, cardamom contains compounds that may have a calming effect on the body and mind, potentially aiding in stress reduction and anxiety relief. The aromatic essence of cardamom can evoke a sense of tranquility, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety and promoting relaxation. Whether added to a warm beverage or used in aromatherapy, cardamom's gentle embrace may offer a moment of peace in our hectic lives. A cup of cardamom tea, enjoyed mindfully, can be a simple ritual to unwind, providing a sense of comfort and mental reprieve. Did you know that cardamom has been suggested to support liver health by aiding in the detoxification process, promoting a healthier liver? By assisting in flushing out toxins and impurities from the liver, cardamom plays a role in maintaining optimal liver function. A healthy liver is crucial for various bodily functions, including detoxification, metabolism, and nutrient absorption. Lastly, cardamom is believed to aid in the natural detoxification process of the body by supporting the elimination of toxins and waste. The compounds present in cardamom may enhance liver and kidney function, allowing for more effective elimination of harmful substances. Aided by a healthy diet and lifestyle, incorporating cardamom into your routine can be a gentle way to assist the body in its natural detoxification pathways. There you have it, folks. Cardamom, the spice of many talents. From aiding digestion to promoting a healthier heart and mind, this little gem can truly spice up your life. See you tomorrow in our next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.